Hey guys, let's practice kanji today with me. This means east. Pronunciation is higashi. Repeat after me, higashi. Very good. Let's get started. First, we're gonna write line like this. Second, we're gonna go like this. Third stroke goes to the right and going down. Fourth is gonna be just a line again. And number 5, we're gonna close this box. Next, let's write one big line down. Next one, we're gonna write diagonal line, like a little curve here. Let's write another one, going down like this. Let's write one more time. Ready? Big line this way, going down and going to the right and down. Let's write another line like that, and let's close this box. Alrighty. Next, let's take a look at this. This is 1, kanji 1. This part looks like a day or sun. Alright. Next, we're gonna write a big line down. This is like a bamboo skewer. Next, we're gonna write this line. It looks like a ski hills, ski slopes. Alright, you did it. Let's try one more time. Big line like this. This is 1. Let's write a day. It's gonna be like this. And one line goes this way. And let's close the box. Remember? Yes. And we're gonna put the one big line down like a bamboo skewer. And next is ski hills, right? It goes like this, and one more ski hill this way. Here we go. You guys did a great job. Thank you for practicing kanji with me. I will see you next time. Okay, さよなら。またね。